My dear students, welcome to online classes. Today is Wednesday and today I will continue the same chapter, learning about works. Today I will focus on page number 40. Today I will explain you about occupation. You know students, what do you mean by occupation? I think this is a new word for you. So please listen carefully. First at all, understand the meaning of occupation. Occupation means any work done to earn money is called an occupation. People do different types of jobs to earn a livelihood. Here I am showing you a slide of porter. Now you can ask to me, ma'am, why are you showing me the picture of porter? Because in this page Rupa's father is a potter and her mother carves paints the pots. Rupa gradually learned this art from their mother and father and she became a skilled laborer. Now these days there are many opportunity in this field. So many students are opting this for their better job. Now I will focus on second character. The second character is Jamila. She is an ex- expert in embroidery. Now the third character of this chapter is Arun. He has a tailoring shop at Lawrence Road. He stitches beautiful clothes for women and he learned from his father. See the picture of tailoring shop. Now this is also a very good field in fashion designing and tailoring because there are many scopes in India and foreign countries. Like this, we came to know that some works we learn from our home and become expert worker in that field. And some jobs are that simply people watch and learn and do the works for that they do not need any special learning. Like this, in this page, you learn that people learn many things from their homes and from their society. See page number 40. Take out your pencil, underline the hard words. Rupa father is a potter. He has taught her how to knead the clay and shape object from it. Rupa loves to watch him making beautiful pots. Her mother carves and paints the pots. They sell the pots to earn money. Any works done to earn money is called an occupation. People do different types of job and earn livelihood. Underline the word livelihood, different occupation, jobs, beautiful carves, knead, clay, shape, etc. Now see that do you know? The Kumhar of Chamba, Himachal Pradesh are expert in making beautiful pitchers, surahi for storing water, pot for storing grains and handis with lids for preparing food. They also make toys and lamps of their different types. You can see different type of diyas in Deepavali also. We also use different type of diya in Deepavali to burn the light. So student, this is a very good occupation. Now see, Jamila embroidery is very neat. She uses colorful thread, needles and wooden frame to make design on sari, kurta, cushions cover and bed sheet. Her mother taught her the art of embroidery. Who taught her? Her mother. Third character is Arun has a tailoring shop at Lawrence Road. He stitches clothes for women like shirt, blouse, etc. He learned to cut and stitch clothes from his father. Underline the word tailoring, trouser, shirt, skirt, blouse, embroidery, colorful, cushions, kurta, cover, etc. Some works can be learned at home like embroidery, pottery, tailoring, etc. The children learn the craft from the family members There are some jobs that people learn just by watching other people, like sweepers, handi- handicart puller, hawkers, porters. They do not need any special training, but they are doing important jobs that are necessary for us. Like this, in chapter, you came to know about the skilled and unskilled labor, how they help us for choosing our job. And in this page, we came to know that our family background also help us to be skilled in the different types of field. So now your chapter is over. Come to homework. Read the page 2 times. Learn hard words. Copy down in CW. Hard words copy down in CW. And students, from 22nd, your second periodic test is going to be held. And please be careful. You will write, mention your class, section and roll number honestly. If you will attempt 2 or 3 times in exam, your paper will be cancelled, and from next time you are not supposed to give the exam, and you are supposed to fill the correct roll numbers and correct sections, correct father's name and your name also. So, best of luck for your coming exam. Goodbye. Thanking you. Now we will meet in next week. Goodbye.